Hello, good morning. Mukokchung District laga District Executive Force Canberra 2025 laga sal de Mukokchung District de crime hoa laga opor de report kurishe. January 21 ba luigen na 31st December 2025 laga sal de 48 criminal case register kurishe aro 67 manu khan ge arrest kurishe koina janai dishe. DEF Canberra crime statement de Twitter category de Indian Penal Code or a special local law laga sabte phag kuri gana janai dishe. IBC category de 29 case register kurishe goshe. Jor doile sabse top de tagishe goshe. 8 incident hoishe wase. Gari accident doile 7 incidents hoishe aro manuke thoka baji kura doile 3 da tagishe wase. Hoile bi manuke morai dia noile morai dibule kosis kura laga do iku thakya nai goshe. IBC offense laga under de kidnapping aro abduction laga tuida aro manuke jogam guri dia tuida aro maiki khan ge rape kura ekta extortion ekta aro maiki ke molest kura ekta aro criminal trespass laga ekta tagishe wa ase aro tinta do hoile IBC laga miscellaneous provision laga under de tagishe wa ase. Special aro local law laga hisab de 19 case register kurishe. Narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance de 14 case register kurishe aro Arm X de tuida case register kurishe aro Nagaland liquid total prohibition laga ek under de ekta protections of children from sexual offense ek laga under de ekta aro information technology ID ek laga under de ekta tagisha. All Nagaland Taxi Associations Canberra District Unit kan ge kwa ase ke kiman da non-indigenous passengers kan Nagaland de ayase ta kan laga inner line permit to verify kuri bi goshe. Taxi operators kan ge kwa ase ke railway authorities kan logo de coordination guri gana designated checkpoints de ILB check kuri bi goshe. Jodi violation baile joldi khobor dibole laga janishe. Kun ANTA members kan rule do violate kuribo takhan ge strict action do lobo ga ase. State de taxi operate kura bra pon guri dibo koina associations pa janishe. Dimapur unit laga union Canberra bi ko ase ke Dimapur laga jurisdiction de kiman da taxi malik driver aro operators kan ase takan journey na ja ke de non-indigenous passengers laga ILB do ele first day check kuri bi ko ase. No ILB no service rule laga under de jidi passengers kan valid ILB do nathaki shukole do takhan ge luigana nebera bole laga janisha. Jidi rules to violation thaki shukole do driver aro taxi malik khan ni responsible hobo goshe. Taikan ge penalty bi impose kuri bo ga ase. Taikan laga taxi service do ele pon guri di bo goina janai diche. Aro Dimapur de kiman da non-indigenous driver kan ase taikan ge valid ILB rakhibole labi janashe. Nagaland Police Canberra State Government kan logo de Nagaland Police Recruitment laga oral interview doile centralized policy lobo garne approach kurishe wana Robin Sharma bra trusted den de janashe. Kobo laga hisab de ko ase ke Nagaland Police Recruitment laga oral interview doile sob district den nohoi kana khali Dimapur de hi jama kurina lobole laga opor de janashe. Nagaland DGB laga social media de janai dia ase ke Mon district de Nagaland Police Constable recruitment loa laga same de candidate laga jaga de dusra manu aha laga thuru bole parishe go ase. Robin Sharma ba janai dishe ke candidate aro proxy candidate ke aha laga future recruitment ge taijun ge disqualified kuri dishe go ase. Idu laga opor de bi itia investigation do hele jai ase aro details report to hele pichi de kobo wala bi janai di ase. Bajanpura area Northeast Delhi de January 18 de tinda minor mutabra 6 years old chukri ekta ke gang rape kuri dishe koina police kamba kobo gurushe. Accused pacha kan do ele ekta 10 years ekta 13 years ekta 14 years sakishe go ase. Accused tuijon do ele police custody de ase aro ekta do ele families kan logo de bolai jeshe goi kana janai dishe. Accused pacha kan laga nam do ele Tiljan Fazal aro Sahi goi gana jane bole parshe. Itia victim do ele medical examinations kan kuri gena tai recovery hoi ase kwa laga khobor janai de ase. Government Railway Police Team Canberra Dimapur Railway Station laga platform number 1 de January 28 de ekta maiki laga hat pra 3 kilo suspected opium doile recover kurishe koi ase railway police team khan pra accused manu ekjon Ringo TV 35 sal taike arrest kurishe koi ase etia criminal case to register kuri kana investigation chai ase kwala khobor bi janai di ase Power Department Electrical Division Dimapur Kambra Kwase ke February 5 pra lui na light bill nitera laga opor de disconnection drive chabole ase kushe Department ba kwase ke disconnection drive cha laga same de meter hampering hawking unauthorized load alteration laga opor de red maribo kushe aro disconnection drive toile sob consumers laga category de thakibo kushe kode communitized village can be include thakibo kwase Idu karne department khan bra inconvenience avoid kuribo karne consumers kan ke electric bill do hele julde terai dibole laga janashe chidi crevices kan thagishe gole to STO office te julde clarification lobole laga janashe Combined Technical Associations of Nagaland Kambra State Forest Department kan logode forest guard examination do hele aro dubara lobole karne appeal kurishe wase CDN Khanbra Principal Chief Conservator of Forest ke chiti likhya ke kwase ke candidate khan logo de examination gri proof or evidence ba biche there re-examination doile demand gri kwase forest guard recruitment laga examination wall time de loophole aro irregularities bishi takishe kwase Kobo janai dibu ki forest guard recruitment laga final result doile December 2025 te hi declare kuri dishe Manipur state government khan ba displace hoi ja laka 10,000 family opor laka 40,000 manu khan ge March 31st fa doile resettle kuri bole kosis kuri ase kushe Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Joel ba trusted in de kushe ki state government khan ba displace hoi ja manu khan ge julde rehabilitation koribo karne kosis kuri ase kushe taibra janai dishe ki alag location de state government khan bra resettlement koribo karne 124 crore do hele release kurishe kwase idu sal 2026 te 370 families laga 16,500 manu khan ge resettle do hele successfully bra kurishe kwase chwa sal December laga moina de 2,200 family laga 10,000 manu khan ge resettle bi kurishe koina janai dishe Ajila kopordo himande wind up kuri di ase chidi kumba manu notun sai thakile moram bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you